Yeah, I'm actually I'm in Brightline. It's a like a train station, railroad station.
Oh, cool.
Like connects in there. It's actually pretty cool. They connect. They have like a mission to connect like from here to Orlando, like I think to New York too, something like that. It's actually pretty cool. Actually,
That's dope.
like it's funny, bro, because I applied with them a long time ago when I got here.
Oh, really?
But like, what's it called when on one of my times that I was applying, right? So,
Yeah.
what's that? Robert's trying to get in. Oh, nice. So, what's up, Robert? So, anyways, look, bro, I applied. Remember I told you guys how I was like,
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? This was in space.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
Amazing. Got to take a dump right now because I've been pushing these plates. That sucks when you're like full into it and then you got to dump. It sucks. Kills like all your moment. It kills all your momentum, dude. I want to go home now.
Oh, well, you're at the gym right now?
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, I'm all going full throttle and shit, and then just gotta go fucking the shitter and makes me. It like kills your momentum, you know.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing?
Good, bro. Good.
Nice.
You want to start out?
Nice.
All right. Okay, cool. All right. Let me get. Sorry, guys. I'm just fixing this up here. All right. Yeah. So we were going to talk today about the getting the strategy done, the business model. You know. Oh shit! I made a video. of it too. I did but I'm dropping it tomorrow. I'm premiering it tomorrow.
Nice.
How to create it, yeah. So, but that's what I wanted to go over with you guys, so that way you guys can have a better idea of it. Yeah. So, let me just see some here real quick. All right, so let me bring it up. Okay. Rob's at the gym. You're at the gym, Rob? Okay, we'll get this done here pretty quickly. That way you can at least get some of it.
There you go. You're good.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and. All right, here it is. So. Okay, so Rob, it'll kind of be similar to yours. I mean, maybe we can like look at some things online. So we kind of customize a business model for yours, but yeah. So check it out. This is basically how we have it. It's gonna start this right here. So yeah. So do you see that right there, Johnny?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Okay. All right. So let's. I'm gonna move this over here. All right. So what asset? We'll do it quick. I won't really go too into it because I know you guys are going. But look, what asset will you trade? Bitcoin, right?
Right.
Okay. What style will you trade? So we gotta figure out what style you're gonna trade. You know what I'm saying? Is it like swing trading? Is it gonna be? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah. So I'll ask you the question, and then your goal would be to answer it. But if we're not answering it as fast, then I'll just go on to the next one. You know?
Okay.
That way we can get it done. It'll be done a little bit faster, and then we can move on. We'll go back to the ones. You know?
Yeah.
Okay. So what trading session will you trade?
New York, and Asian
Okay.
sessions.
Okay. How do you get your trade ideas? So how are you planning on getting your trade ideas? Like, I'll give you example. Mine, I do a top-down analysis, which is from daily. I go to the daily, see where we're at. I go to the 16-hour, see it because there's 4 of those in the 4 hour, right? going here, then I'll see, okay, shit, like I'll get my ideas from here. We're still in the selling environment. What are we doing? We're at support. We're going up, right?
Yeah.
So since we're going up, I'm gonna go to my shit right here and see, okay, where's the next possible support resistance zone? Where's the next resistance zone? Oh, there's one right here. Oh, there's probably one right here. Okay, let me go to the 2 hour, 1 hour. I mean, I can get some better resistance zones. Oh yeah, there's one right there, and the next one's here.
Right.
Right. So, yeah. What would you say? How are you gonna get your trade analysis? Your trade idea?
Well, yeah, I mean, I normally do the same thing, but then I just base it off divergence,
Okay. So
for entries.
So daily, what time frames are you gonna?
I do daily 4 hour. Well, yeah, daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 24, and then 12 and 6. And then I have entries. My entries would be like on the 6 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, for the most part.
Okay. All right. So, what time frame do you trade? So you're gonna which one? Okay, so you're gonna enter on a certain time frame, but on which one are you gonna manage your trade? Because like I have realized that like when I messed up today on going too lower, like you know how I mean we saw, I don't know if you saw a trading session where I exited that buy.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah. So, but like the main ones would be like what candle are you gonna look at to see
Where the market's going? I use the 5 minute and the 6 minute to determine. I don't go to the 1 minute unless I'm trying to see
a
reversal or whatever,
Okay. Okay.
Or like bearish divergence on the 1 minute, and like, okay, go close, or close. But yeah, mainly just 5 or 6 minute gives me a better picture of what's going on.
I'm gonna put divergences and market cipher B on how do you get your trade ideas, right?
Mm-hmm.
What time frame do you trade? So that's gonna go to
12 minute.
Sorry, 12 minute?
Yeah.
Okay. 12 m. All right. What confirmations will you use and how many do you need to execute?
Confirmations, I use divergence and market structure, and
Market structure. So like what do we need?
Just
like off support?
Yeah, off support, or off golden pockets with divergence, pretty much.
Price coming off support or resistance or something like that?
Yeah.
And what else again?
Off golden pocket support levels or resistance levels. Yeah, so golden pocket.
Okay. How much will you risk per trade?
I would say, yeah, I don't know. Haven't decided how much I should risk. Like 2%.
Okay. What is your daily percentage goal or price range goal? Like how much price percentage increase or decrease are you looking for in the market to? So,
like to capture like a good what? Like,
yeah.
What do you mean? Like, yeah, like a overall throughout the whole day.
Yeah, per trade. Like
at least look for at least 1.5% for each trade.
Bitcoin's price and Bitcoin.
Yeah.
What is your win rate? Oh wait, no. Oh yeah. So When you do how many trades per day? How always?
Yeah.
Then that we'll get that after. But how many trades per day are you looking for?
Looking for at least three trades per day, 3 to 4.
Okay, have you seen your win rate?
Well, I mean, as far as what I've been doing, it's like a good probably 60-70% win rate.
Okay.
I'll be testing it again for sure.
Okay. Put this all right here. Okay, so what style of trading will you do? Day trading, scalping?
Day trading.
So that basically you would be holding your trades from like maybe one session to the next session, New York to Asian session.
Yeah, most likely, but also, I mean, I'm still going to be doing some scalping though.
Okay, so
yeah,
scalp.
And that's what I really want to get down, scalping.
Okay, so how many days a week will you trade?
I mean, I can trade every day.
Okay. All right. So now this is where the fun comes, right? This is where we get the numbers. So the fuck's going on? Why does this do this shit? All right. Okay, so let's say 3.5 times 7. Oh, I got my calculator right here. 3.5 times 7 equals 24. We're gonna go with 24 trades a week. Okay, so 24 times 0.65, 16. You're gonna have 16 winning trades and 8 losses. No, it'll be 17. 17 winning, 8 losses. Okay. So and you're gonna be looking for a 1. Okay, let's do the math then. So at what point will you stop your stop loss? Like how much? So like if your trade goes down by 2%, if your trade goes down by 2% in your account, are you gonna cut it out?
Like if it goes, yeah, I'm gonna keep my stop loss pretty tight. Because with these divergence, they're pretty good. I'm pretty good at entering it.
So okay, so 2% probably would not be good then, right?
No, not 2%. Maybe like a 0.5%.
Okay. So you're gonna risk 0.5% of trade then?
Yeah, risk 0.5%.
So if price goes 0.5% your way, then you gotta get out. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then when will you get out? Like 1 to 2, like at one point. Cause so watch, let's do an example.
Like take profit.
Yeah, like when's your take profit?
I'll take profit.
Like will you can also let it run the whole way. You can let the trade run the whole way and let it hit you. Like let's say that your trade's like this, right? Let's say that you plan to get this whole range.
Yeah.
And it stopped out, right?
Right.
So let's say, but So will you let it? Are you gonna take some half off right here, or what do you think? You know?
Yeah. I'm gonna take profits like halfway through the TP. You know, like halfway through it. Take probably like a good, I don't know, 80% of it,
Okay.
or 60% of it. You know, something, and let the rest run. Put stop loss at entry.
Okay, let's okay, we're looking at the ranges that price is moving. Yeah, you can definitely catch 1.5%, 2%.
Yeah.
Okay, so catching 1.5%, 2%. So then you're gonna have to, okay, so we got 8 losses, which is 0.5%. That's 4. That's 4%. So you can, so basically, you know, we lose about 4%. I've seen yours. Yours are like 1 to 2s, right? Let's just assume that we get them all in, right? So let's say you got 1 to 3s. Let's see, yeah, let's say 1 to 3, 1 to 4s, right? Here's like 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Like watch here. Here's a 1 to 3 ratio risk reward. Here's a 1 to 2. What do you think you're gonna? How are yours?
Maybe like a 1 to 2.
Because watch, so if you're gonna risk 0.5%, that means that if you do 1 and 2, that means that you're gonna gain only 2%, or no, that you're gonna gain 1%. So you're risking half to gain 1. So that means that per week, it means per week you're gonna get 17 minus 4. That's 13. That means that you're gonna get 13% per week gain, which would be 52% per month. You know?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So that means that the next question is, does that correlate with what you're trying to do?
Right.
You know, like you will have to have, let's say if you have a $10,000 account, that means that you're gonna make $5,000 a month, assuming that you do 3 or 4 trades a day and that you stick to your win rate of 65%.
Right.
Or, you know, around there. So you're looking at maybe like 40 to 55. You know.
Yeah.
Maybe like, you know, give or take around there, 45, 55. So you're just gonna have to ask yourself, you know, like, okay, is that gonna cover everything that I need to cover?
Yeah.
Okay, so all right, cool. So we can leave it like that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
We can leave it at that. You're gonna trade 7 days a week. So total trades, it's gonna be about 24 a week. All right. All right. Cool. So. All right. Cool. So.
Yeah.
So this is with the game 50%, which is good. You know, it's very good.
Yeah. Not bad.
So yeah, now you're just gonna have to see. Now you're just gonna have to stick to this. You know.
Yeah. No. Definitely, bro.
Right.
Definitely.
Yeah. I think Rob's out. All right,
yeah.
So,
he said that he's at the gym. That he gotta go to the restroom.
Gym, yeah. Right. Like I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, because I want to gym it right now too, so I can come back before the agent session.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Cool, man. Yeah. And it just I may actually so I call that place and they or that place is willing to or I interviewed, right? They called me today and we did an interview.
Nice. So which place was it?
It's called Brightline, bro. It's right here. I'm actually in it right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's Here, I'm actually going to turn this session off here. Oh wait, no, I'll stop recording it.
Stop recording it.
I mean, whatever. I could just keep it on. Yeah. So Brightline is going to be. It's a railroad station. So I would do sales and like sales support for them.
Okay.
Working like with the closers basically, and it's not bad. It's $50,000 a year salary plus.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad. Plus whatever, you know. But I did tell her that I may do it or I may not. Yeah, because I could still trade the Asian session if I decide to. If I decide to, I can trade the Asian session still, and then I won't be able to trade the New York session, you know, which is fine. I just gotta, you know, I'll be willing just to take 1 or 2 trades during the Asian session. That's it, you know.
Yeah, and then
the amount of risk I do.
And it would be you said salary and commission as well, or?
Yeah, salary and commission. I think they do bonuses. It's more of a sales support. So like sales support, it tends not to be like heavily commission based, mostly salary based. And like
I see.
Yeah, like if you hit like a quarterly goal or like monthly goal or a weekly goal, then like they add bonus on top. That's
I see. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay. All right, guys. That was a session with me and Johnny. Robert, you guys have a good day. So that's another piece of content that I just made.
Nice.
All right, so but
that's cool, man. I mean, that's cool, you know.
Yeah, you know, I was thinking about it, you know what I'm saying, like, because yeah, they reached out to me, like, oh shit, and I was like, fuck it, you know. So that's a possibility. If I see that it's messing me up, messing up for my vision, then I'm gonna quit.
Right. Yeah. So I mean, again, it doesn't hurt to test the water, you know.
Yeah.
Test it to see if it's something for you. If you like it, if it's more structured, you know.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, bro. I know it'll be more structured, bro. It's a corporate. Okay. It's corporate, and it's like it's just Jewish money, you know, like Jewish people invested in it. They spent a lot of money in this, and this is like a 10-15 year project, you know. It's like they're not looking for profit anytime soon, because they're actually it's pretty innovative. It's pretty innovative what they're trying to do. And it's really cool. Like all their cars are like fucking Teslas, and you know, it's
nice.
Yeah, and you can tell it's legit as shit, you know. It just
yeah.
You just need a vaccine, and
oh, you do though?
Yeah, but like I'm talking with one of the homies. He has like he basically kind of went around that, did a little thing to go around it. So.
Oh, nice.
Anyways, yeah. But that's
good.
Yeah, that's my goal. Yeah. So I may take it, bro. We'll see. You know, it's 9 to 5:30.
Oh, okay.
So my goal would be to get the fuck out of there, go home, and then trade the
Asian session.
Yeah, trade the Asian session. Even though I love New York, it's way better, I think. But Asian still moves.
Asian still, it still moves.
Yeah. I think Asian trading. I think the trading sessions in Asia. I think they do a lot of crypto too there, man. I don't think.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah, like, because yesterday's Asian session was pretty solid.
Pretty solid, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's cool, man. It's cool.
Yeah. So you know, like, but yeah, like I said, if that's affecting like what we got going on too much, I'm not gonna do it. Right. You know.
Yeah, I mean, you can reevaluate that. You know, once you're in it, see how you feel. You know.
Yeah. And see what the cost is.
Yeah.
Or how much? Yeah, go ahead.
And you'll be working there where you're at right now, or is there a different office?
You know, that's a good question. They did say Overtown, which we are in Overtown. I didn't specify exactly what. I didn't specify exactly what like where, but this is Overtown, you know? Like I live in Overtown.
Okay.
Close to downtown Miami, which is where I'm at. And yeah, I'm in their Brightline location. So I don't know if it's above at the top, you know? I don't know if it's like, because there's 2 big Brightline buildings. So
I see.
Sure. I mean, I didn't confirm, but I'm pretty sure it's here. And what's it called? Yeah. So I mean, I think it would be pretty cool. I already know. I mean, I destroyed in that position. I've already. That's what I'm a master in. Or that's what I did with the other company. Created.
Yeah.
I didn't do sales support. I mean, I did do it, but I created like the systems for whatever, bro. Anyways, it's the same shit.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. How's the commute? Not that bad.
Yeah, it's a 15-minute walk, bro.
Oh, it's not bad.
Yeah, dude, it's not bad at all. Here, I'll see if you can show you.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's cool. Looks cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, bro. Like, let me see if I can show you around over here. So
nice.
it's like yellow, and there's a lot of crypto. There's a lot of crypto advertisements, like right here.
Oh, that's crazy.
Watch. Here's a bright line. It's a transportation business.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Bright line right there. As you can see, there's a lot of the stores and stuff. There's right there is Algorand. There's a advertising. You see that? Algo Miami.
Oh yeah.
Algorand crypto.
Right. That's crazy.
Yeah, they got a lot of crypto advertisements around here, bro.
That's dope.
Yeah, but and then 2 or 3 days. 3 days is in the office and 2 days is at the house.
Oh, okay. So that's cool.
It's not bad, huh?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all, bro. So like because of all that, and like since they sound professional and all that stuff, and it's a big company, it's a big corporation, and it's I guess it's Jewish money behind it. I already know that they're gonna take it serious,
Yeah.
Yeah, because they don't fuck around. But yeah, I mean it's very professional here. Obviously, like a place is professional when they have a sales support role for salespeople and closers,
Yeah, true that.
Sales assistant, getting in leads, all fine. You know what I'm saying? Fucking
right.
Normally, if not, if it was a ghetto company or whatever, or ghetto, like they just let the closers and stuff do the whole thing,
Right, exactly.
They don't hire like another role, a support role for that. Normally, that's not how it works. They just
No, true that.
It's not the right thing. But yeah, obviously you need money to do that shit. Fucking hire them.
Yeah, of course. No, that's cool, man. That's cool. Maybe this is it. Maybe this Maybe this is what you kind of will.
Yeah, like what?
I like this,
The reason why I wanted to work is so I can just accumulate my XRP and like fucking not spend it.
Exactly. You've been working on accumulating pretty good. You kind of don't want to convert it now,
Yeah, I do have a nice amount that I fucking made, trading it recently the past like a couple of weeks or so, somewhere in there.
Nice.
So that would be some. Yeah, I'm actually kind of excited, but we'll see. Maybe maybe they don't call me back. You know what I'm saying? Fucking who knows?
Yeah.
I can always because she said she's gonna get back with me. She's like, yeah, we really do. She's like, we do need to hire someone quick. We do need this and this, blah blah.
Yeah. That's cool, man.
I did tell her that I was pretty nonchalant about it. Told her what I do, trade crypto, doing it for some time now.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah. Basically, let her know that I don't need it.
Yeah.
I don't need it. So, I have that. But yeah, that system right there, should be able to follow that there. Oh wait, I don't think you can see my shit. But yeah, just make sure that you commit to that system there, or you fix it a little bit, and that's a business model that you have to follow,
Right.
And
I will, man. Yeah, definitely it's a must.
Less trades, maybe it's not. I'm thinking about doing less trades myself. You're gonna tinker with it, so
yeah.
I'll put it right here and put Johnny on it, and then the next would be Robert.
Yeah, for sure.
That way we can know for real what's going on for all of us, or
exactly.
else it's not gonna, it's just not gonna work, bro.
It's not, bro. Yeah, because we need some structure. We need all this,
Sir, yes, sir. And then what else were you supposed to do? Hey, did you ever do a story, or did you ever post that, or not yet?
Well, because yesterday I was running late, and then the video that I sent you, it was good. So I'm gonna redo that video. But
Yeah, just post it, bro, you know, or like figure it out, you know. But just make sure you do it today, because that's basically a step. That's basically like one thing on your to-do list that is the most important thing to do for use. You know what I'm saying? You're already doing everything else. You're already trading. You're everything else. Like that's what I'm trying to say. Also with Robert as well, is that you guys are doing what you guys should be. But I'm just gonna tell you right now, you guys aren't building it up. You know, just keeping it real.
Yeah, no.
Not and like so when we're doing that, like, what do we expect? You know, we shouldn't expect too much. You should just be expected to be a trader that no one's gonna know.
Exactly.
You know?
No, that's true. Yeah, no. For us, that's true.
That's how I would see it. So like my goal is to help you guys see that and see that like the amount of work that you guys are doing, and then see what you're doing and where it's going to take you. Because a lot of times, you know, we can think that it's going to go somewhere, and oh, you know, this is what we were trying to go to, but we're not doing the work to get there. You know. So
yeah, exactly.
So yeah, that way. So the faster we do it, you know, the faster we can identify it, and the faster we do it, then okay, then we can feel good about ourselves. All right, cool, I'm on track. You know.
Right. No, I got you, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I get it.
And Bitcoin's moving like crazy. Bitcoin does move a lot, man.
Bro, look at Doge, 20 or 30%.
God damn.
Because of the whole transaction it did with that internet.
Because hey, not just that, but what's his name's buying Twitter.
Twitter, he's buying it, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. So and that's he wanted to look. It was in the golden pocket too. The 618.
Yeah, it's right on the money.
716, but like it really went off on the 618.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Imagine. Wait, when did it pop off, bro?
Just like recently, bro. Just this morning.
What is 4 o'clock? Okay, so right now it
was 4 in the morning, and then
4 in the morning. Damn, bro. Yeah, because they said he's buying it, right? That's what I saw news that he's buying it.
He's buying it. Yeah, he's buying it.
They closed the deal. God damn, Doge, bro. The Doger. Wow, man. 30%. That's massive, man.
It's massive, bro.
That's massive. Imagine we had like $100 trillion buy. No, I'm just kidding. All the brokers.
That's huge, bro.
That's good, bro. That's dope.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna probably have to get some USDT to. Well, I mean, not it was once the bull market goes, but I'm gonna I'm still gonna XRP, but once the bull run starts hitting, we'll see. Hopefully, so let's see so what's his name? Longed it, huh? Crypto Face. I know he longed it on Bitcoin. What do you think? What's the next range? Let's see. Damn, bro. Well, because like, I still think that it can go lower, dude, because of the crypto market cap.
Yeah.
Remember that little thing that it broke? Or I don't know if it broke it. Let's see. It did kind of break it. Did it? I mean, it's reacting off of it. Let's see. Weekly time frame has 24 at the top. It's coming. Oh, but look, the weekly had a red dot here, but that was the bottom earlier. That was the bottom-ish, and then when it went up a nice amount, crypto market went from like 1.5, 1.6 to 2.2. That's fucking massive. So what if we get like a green candle this week?
Yeah, that's true. We can.
You know, I'm just because I just know that just dumping a little bit of USDT on every single fucking little coin, if Bitcoin goes up, I just make a shitload of money that way.
Yeah.
Why don't you get some USDT? And it's back at 40. Back at 40, nice. Went up like a nice amount. So it's XRP back at 2068. But yeah, my thing is that, my analysis is that it's going to go back to 70 cents, then retest, then and go back down again.
Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, based off support and all that, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? Here's the resistance, support, now turn to resistance. Based off that 16-hour candle. Here we got a wick here. Doesn't mean that it's going to go, but it can. But I'm thinking that it's going to fill in over here, fill in these areas. So I got 16-hour wick right here. and we got the potential retest all the way back to the 70 cents, to which is a support level or around here, which is already retesting that wick right here. And once we're done touching that, scraping that, licking that area, I'm going to go ahead and back down again.
Oh, I see.
Like a double bottom. Getting the liquidity from the bottom here, which would be which would be good, because if we get another 1 more day, 2 more days, bringing price all the way back up to 70 cents, right? And a little more crap going up. Now we got a bunch of buyers in the market, right?
Right.
Now it's time to go bring it back down again.
For that.
So that's what I'm thinking. One of these type of corrective movements. So you see it goes up and it goes like this, up. Same thing, up, but around here, 70 cent level, creates an M, a double top, and then just continues to go back down again. That's what I'm thinking. Because of the whole thing that all those bankers met up, right?
You're right.
And people, they met up, and they didn't really sound too great. They're basically saying they're kind of fucked and that they messed up with what they did, kept on printing. So yeah, that's what I think. Wow, look at your shit went up $700.
Not bad.
$100, yeah. I'm gonna. But yeah, cool. That means that So yeah, so just make sure that we do it on that, and
for sure, man, for sure.
Like that's what you're doing. I would honestly recommend now you look at that strategy. You can back test it now. So you can go. This is what I did. I went to the New York and Asian sessions on the bars, which is 6. It's actually 6. It's like 6 p.m., 9 p.m. You want to look around that time. 6 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. your time. So just do like 3 to 7 p.m. Just do 3 to 7 or 4 to 7 p.m. Look at that, your time on Bitcoin, and then look at those times, and then let's say if it's a 4-hour, it's a 4-hour bar at let's give you an example here. I better do a 1-hour bar, so that way you can locate the times a little bit easier.
Yeah.
Let's see, what was today? Today is 5 o'clock your time. So right here. So here are these bars. Here are the movements that we got right here. This is the New York session movement right here. You got a wick fill over here, but yeah, you got so here's your New York session. See how you can catch this trades. Go to the next New York session. Go to the last day. See how you catch those trades. Go to the next New York session. See how you can catch those trades. Go to the next New York session. See how you can catch those trades. Go to the next.
Yeah. Yeah, very true. Very true.
And and I would recommend that's it. And like I wouldn't recommend I would say and maybe I just don't think if you're gonna be doing that now, I think you can't be looking at other people, or like Jason, you can't be looking at other people's trades then, because then it's what if that influences you? You know what I mean?
True.
I think now you're at a point where you're by yourself and you're on your own, like
Yeah, no, I got you.
But that doesn't mean you can't use them. But like, okay, what I've noticed, then it's just because in that way you can just go all in on that style, go all in on your style, and that's it. Because then if not, then you're swinging towards this one over here, and then you might miss a trade. Oh fuck, I didn't hit this, so I'm not gonna,
Yeah, no, I got you. That's true, man. Makes sense.
Different type of trading,
Right.
I don't think he trades the New York sessions or not. He waits for patterns, or not patterns, but he waits for to hit the golden pocket. Or I don't know, but I do know that a lot of traders out there don't trade sessions. They do technical analysis, and they don't do it all based off sessions.
Well, no, he trades the New York session every morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, every morning he trades it.
Okay, nice. All right, cool. Well, yeah, if he trades it, then that's even better. Then that way you can get some shit from him, But basically, just like I guess just anything, anyone, or any information that doesn't coincide or go with this trading plan,
right?
You probably want to get away from it,
Yeah, no, that's true.
Yeah, that way you master this, and that's it only, and it's like now yours, and yeah.
Yeah, no, got you.
Sir. Cool, bro. Well, yeah, you wanna leave it at that, or?
Yeah, we can leave it at that, bro, for sure. And then I'll do what I gotta do today, and
All right, cool.
And then we can trade the session later after I come back.
Yeah. It's in a couple hours. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good, brother.
All right, bro. I'll see you. You have a good one, man.
All right, see you, bro. You too, bro. Later, bro.
Mm-hmm.